Hi everybody, I'm Adrian with the Northwoods Family Channel. We're getting ready to go on another family adventure in our side-by-side, but before we do, we're going to do a quick install of this new ratchet strap system we got shipped to us from a company called Strapinno. Now this is their RB204 ratchet strap system, and I'm actually really excited to give this a try because it's a retractable ratchet strap system, totally contained. We're gonna do a bolt-on installation for you here today, and I think this has the potential to save a lot of time when we're loading and unloading, because all we're gonna have to do is grab the strap, clip it on, ratchet it down, and go. And if you can save time loading and unloading your side-by-side, that means you can spend more time on the trails. Let's go get it installed. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is load your machine onto your trailer. It doesn't matter if it's your motorcycle, your ATV, or your side-by-side, whatever. And you're going to want to think about where are you going to attach the straps to your machine and where do you want to mount them to your trailer. The next thing you're going to want to do is position all of the ratchet straps on the trailer where you want to mount them. You've got a pretty good amount of extendable strap there, but you're going to want to make sure that they're within reach of the points on your machine where you're going to strap them down. Next, measure and mark the locations where you want to drill your holes. Drill the appropriate size holes for the hardware you're using. Next, simply bolt down the ratchet straps using the supplied hardware or the hardware of your choosing. I chose to use nylon lock nuts so I could adjust the tension and have a little bit of pivot in the ratchet strap system so I can attach at different angles. Obviously, if you are installing these on the deck of your trailer, you want to make sure that you have enough clearance for the tires to go by so you don't accidentally run over the ratchet strap. And there you have it. All four of the straps are mounted solidly to my deck. To hook up the machine, move the ratchet strap into the open position by pulling on the lever. Then all I have to do is just grab and pull, hook that in, and ratchet away. So that's all there is to installation. Piece of cake, 10-15 minutes, and it only took us about a minute to strap down our machine. If you have any questions, please drop those in the comments section. And if you're interested in these straps or any other Strapinno products, please follow the affiliate link we've provided in the video description below. Thanks again for joining us. Until next time, ride safe.